lightning strike.
Huh?
I don't know what's a lightning strike.
I know. It's hard to predict it.
Yeah. At least we're fine. Looking for lightning. Oh my god!
That was bright.
Yeah, that was so bright! The rain's getting heavier and heavier. Yo, this is big! That was massive. Yo, let's see another one. Let's find another. Yeah. Where's another? I don't know when it's gonna start the hail. Kind of shivering.
Lightning strike.
Alright. How about I just ask Zeus? Oh! It was too late for me! It was too late to ask Zeus.
Yep.
Alright, I want to see one more lightning strike. Maybe like 2 more will be good. I'll just do 2 more. Whoa! That might be your biggest one because the whole sky lighted. Hear the boom. Hear the boom. Alright, let's see a giant one. Give us a giant lightning strike, Zeus. Huh? Why is the rain gone? It was there, but now the rain's gone. Like actually. I saw one part glow. Oh my god! Alright, that was our final lightning strike that we saw. But we have to hear the boom. Oh my. That was crazy.